Hello and good day, traders. Thank you being here for coming and watching this video. We are going to analyze the AUD CHF pair today, and we will see what it can do next week. Let's come to the business now. This is a monthly time frame. In September, if you can see that the buyer were very interested, but in October the buyer has lost his interest and there is a massive downward pressure of selling and seller took the control. However, if we see the shadow of this current month, this shadow reflects that clearly that the seller has lost his interest and buyer is gaining control slowly. And another significant thing we can see here in this month is that it has not broken the shadow, the downward shadow of August. If we measure it, we can see it very clearly. So the price has not able to break the downside in October. Even we have 2 days left, but the price is currently here, and the lowest was in this month was 05614, and it is currently 05709. So this is first remarkable thing. The price failed to break the previous one, this one, and prices started going upward. Now prices started going upward, and that is the interpretation for monthly analysis. Now we will break it down to weekly. However, before we go to weekly, please note that it is a downtrend, undoubtedly. Still, there is nothing significant for the uptrend in monthly time frame. Only that the price has not broken the previous lower low. Now, if we go to let's say on weekly time frame, we can see that in week the price has not yet engulfed the previous week. As you know, in market structure we always try to find the trend, which is downtrend still now, and such candle has appeared previously, but even in week it has broken the structure. It tried to break the structure, but it failed. If we go here, we can see it very clearly that we have already seen in month. Here the price has not broken, though it appears here something like that, but you can see the gap here. You see, these are the gaps. In October it came down, and price didn't cross the previous low. So in week it has already formed a double bottom. We can see here very clearly. If we see, this is the double bottom has been created already. This is the double bottom has been created in week. But to take any trade based on weekly time frame, this candle must pass or surpass this point. It means it must come above this, and this candle, not the shadow, the body has to be here, something like this. The body needs to be something like this, and only then we can go for a buy trade. So people who are doing intraday trading, this analysis will not be that much for you guys, but even you can get an idea what the market is doing from this analysis. So this is the thing, and in week time frame, this is the information we have, but we would like to see a little more, because why it is stopped here. The price went up to 0.5736, then started breaking down again. So that is the point made us worried who would like to take buy trade or go for long. So this is the place where as it has formed the double top, and here it formed the double bottom here, and the double bottom has been formed from this double top. If we draw the double top here, we can see that this is the space we have. Now I would like to see what happened so far in weekly. So let's measure the dispersion from here to here. It has it almost reached the half. Can you see? This is the I beg your pardon, it didn't reach the half. So once the double bottom has been formed, in my opinion, at least it should reach the half. This is the place it should reach. The question is why the price started retracing downward from this place, from this here. That cannot be explained in weekly. So let's go to day. In day, we can see the double bottom has formed here in the same thing as week, and the double top has formed here, same as in the week. So the problem here in day, if we see here, it has started retracing from for these two guys. This is the place for which this double top again formed and pushing the price downward. All the time I am talking about double bottom, double top, but why I am trying to do that, I will explain it in a moment. Because if we find the double bottom and double top in any time frame, it indicates that at least it will run half of that trend change. So if as this double bottom top has been formed, in my opinion, at least it should now go back to this position. The price will come back here, probably. The chances are very high. This is day double top. So some people commented that I should mention which is weekly double top, which is daily, so I will try to do that. This is daily double top, and we have to put it in something like this. This one should be. So double top has been formed here, and if we copy it again, we can put it here also. Just need to change the text. It is weekly double bottom. I beg your pardon. So this is weekly double bottom. So as the price has went up from here to here, so this is our range for the daily double top, and the price should come back here, and it will start, maybe it will go up. So if we do a further investigation for this weekly double top, it is supposed to go at least this half, but it failed. This failed due to this these two green and red candle, which the sellers are very powerful here, and they are trying to push the price down now. So if we go to 4 hours, we can see that the same thing. In 4 hours, this is also a place where it came down. Now my question, in 4 hours, why did it stop here? Because there is no resistance here, so why it started going up again? So we'll go to 1 hour and try to see. So this is the place, this is the place for which it is trying to, but even then it is a body of the candle, we need shadow. So let's go to 30 minutes. We can see that this is the place from where actually it is trying to pull it back. So in short run, possibly there is no trade at the moment, despite it has broken the neck. If we mark it, the neck has been broken from here, this has been broken, but it failed to break this one. So there is two perception here can work. As we have seen in week that it failed to break the previous lower low, and it made a higher low here. You can see it made a higher low here, so the chances of going down is now restricted more than before. But here in 4 hours, the thing we can do, we have to wait that the price will come here and retest, and then it will try to break this one. It will try to, let me draw it again, I beg your pardon. The price will come here, it will retest here, then it will break this barrier and will touch this, and again it will try to retest and it will break off. Now someone can ask why you are so sure, because in month it is a very big downtrend in month, and in week it's the same, it is a very big downtrend. So why I am telling that it would go upward? The price we are seeing now, it is lowest in the last 42 years, to be honest with you. This is the lowest price in last 42 years so far I have analyzed and found. If you minimize and you see that, you can see the data. The price never been here before, so low area, since 1980. So if we say 1980, 20 years on last century, and this century we can say 23 years, so 43 years the price has never came before here. And this time, if you see, it came down, it tried to, when it made lower low, it has the potential or probability to go high. Only then it can break this potential lower low, and it broke here. Again it went high and it created much more lower low, and this time again it created a lower high here, not lower low. So considering this lower high, we may have a better probability that price will at least go a little bit higher. And if it failed, if it fails, only then maybe, if it fails, only then it maybe will come down, and it will break this structure. This structure will be broken then, but not this time, not this time, due to it failed already. For the last 1 month in monthly, I have already explained, in the last month it failed to break. Can you see? It failed to break the August lower low. Here is the proof of that. So as it failed already, so the chances that it will go, let's say, high, and only then it will come down. So coming back to 4 hours, we need to watch for some things here very carefully, so we don't miss. The best option is that, as it has, when the price broke this point, this is the point when the price broke in 4 hours, and in 4 hours it is broken. It changes character here. The change of character has been done here. It happened here. It happened here already, and it should not be like that. It should be like that, because we are considering 4 hours, not day. For 4 hours we'll use this color, not the blue one. Okay, so this happened, this change of character here, breaking the price here, is indicating that it will go high, but not a safe zone to take trade. Now if we see that it is breaking, the price is breaking this point, this is the point which is in day double top, from where it is retracing. If we go to day now, and you can see that price failed to break this one. This is the thing, this one, price failed. And if the price breaks this point, it will be change of structure. So if we put it like this, we can tell it here, possible break of structure, or possible BOS, we call it BOS. And if it happens, if it breaks this structure with the body, not with the shadow, I repeat it again, the breaking or change of character and break of structure, let me put it a little bit more, with more clarity. Change of character in 4 hour TF 100. Now possible change in character, break of structure in day TF. If it happens the way I have shown here gives a better clarity. if it comes back here, there is a chance that it will come back here, and because as the double top has formed in the daily, so the half should come back. So if it comes back and it goes up, retest, and then go up and break this area, I don't know what happened to my writing. Okay, where should we put it? So this is double top, we put it a little bit here, and this is possible. Yes, that is better. No, I have to show it here, no point. And also I need to put it a little bit lower, and it is not showing because our CS is supposed to show. Okay, I think we will be able to see it. So possible break of structure if the line crosses this one. Let's make us it blue, so we understand that we are indicating upward, not downward. And if it breaks this one, there is probably a good chance that AUDCHF will go bullish, and how far it will go, that is the question. So as far as the weekly double bottom is concerned, and it is weekly double top already coming from, let me show you the weekly double top. You can see the weekly double top here, can you? This is weekly double top. Okay, so let's not go to big trend, let's see in small trend. So you can say in day there is a double top here. Let's put it in day back again. This was the double top which has created this weekly double bottom from here to here. This as this top is responsible for this low, same way this top is responsible for this low. So if we go today now, and if it breaks here, this is the point, if it breaks here, let's put it in 4 hours so we can see it more with clear indication. Change of character in 4 hours time frame already happened, which we can see here very clearly. Now this double top has been formed and price was pushed back downward. Now if it retests here half of this and it breaks this position, then it will go very simple and easy calculation. Here is this, we can measure this from here to here. This will go high here up to this, plain and simple. I beg your pardon, not this, up to this position, and which clearly indicates that it will touch the previous double bottom, daily double top, which has been formed prior to this daily top. So if we consider this as pattern 1, I think that will be better for you guys to reflect properly. Daily P1 here, and okay, and this is if we consider this, let me use the call out so you can see clearly. So this is weekly P2, and let me mark this properly, because using different legends give us different views or perspective in observing the whole chart. So this is our P1 daily pattern 1. It formed a double top. So I can put it control CV. This is a double top already formed. This is pattern 1. Then weekly double top, double bottom. This is pattern 2. Then we have a daily double top here. This one. This is the guy. Don't move it. This is the guy where we have formed. Let me make it a little bit. This is the two places. Let's mark them properly. This one and this one, the double top formed, and then and then it so we can say this P3, not this one, let's use the color. So this one, we can say daily P3 pattern 3, make it blue. For daily we use blue. Okay, so daily pattern 3 has been formed. Now we can see that there is something of in FOREX, nothing is resisting it, but until we go to 30 minutes. So we are not going to do that. Out of curiosity, I just wanted to know why it has started retracing from here to upward. But in my opinion, as weekly double bottoms in pattern 2 and daily double bottom in pattern 3 has been formed, so it may come down here, retest, and it may go high. And in monthly, we have seen that the higher low has been formed, which I have shown already. Let me show you again. In monthly you can see that a higher low has been formed. This was the lower low and this was the higher low. Can you see, guys? This is lower low, and if I put it here, this is higher low has been formed. So the market is rejecting the price on the lower side. So let's go to 4 hours. So this is one possible thing can happen. And another thing can happen. This is the thing where we get diluted without this retest, without seeing the things we take trade. And any trade we take, any trade, it is 50-50. We do the analysis to ensure that this 50-50 probability can be changed in favor of our trade. So we can go for the higher probability trade to gain more and lose less. So coming back to here, if for any good reason, if it breaks from the same place, Kabi breaking this, then it will retest again. It will try to retest, and if this retest fails here, then it will create a lower low again. It will go downward. And let me put it in red so we understand later. Downward. So these are the two scenarios right now. So please wait until the price touched here, make the retest, and once retest is done, only then go for the long. And if this if it is broken, then again wait for the retest, and if the retest fails, then go for the short. That's all. And I should tell it in the beginning, this analysis is done on my personal observation. Any trade taken based on this analysis is not on my shoulder. It's individual decision and at their discretion. As per disclaimer, I should say this, and I'm telling you guys that. And please do your own analysis to see things, Market speaks in 3 languages. One is market structure, which I have shown you that it is a bearish trend. Second thing is this, the price action. The price action is telling us that it has not reached the lower low. It has not broken the lower low in month, in week. And third thing is this, that the pattern it has formed is pattern 1 is in daily double top, we can see here. Pattern 2 is weekly double bottom, we can see, and it is also in the daily time frame. And again, when it tried to go upward, it has changed its character in 4-hour time frame, breaking this point. You can see this is a very good candlestick in 4 hours, which has broken this point. And again, it is trying to retrace a little, but again something in 30 minutes time frame which is resisting in here, and then it will going to break this off or this one. Some of the conservative trader will take trade after breaking this point, and some will take from here. I prefer to take it from here, this point, to go for long, for two reasons. One is this, that if the retest is done, I don't think it will go downward anymore. And if it does, I will put a stop loss and I will come out of the trade. And if it goes down again, I will observe that it will make a retest here in this line, and if it fails, then I will go for short. Thank you for watching. Take care. If you have any comment and question, please do put your comment and questions. And one more thing, please share your analysis, your insights, so I can learn from you guys too. Holding each other hand will have a greater positive impact, because if all of us make profit, all of us will be happy. It is not like that if I make profit, you guys have to lose, or if you make profit, I have to lose. Thank you. Have a nice day.